Flat Earth wins again.
No!
Today we will have a look at this flat earth scientist's latest video, Taboo conspiracy. I'm not sure where he lives. I thought it was somewhere in the US, but I'm starting to believe that he lives on the moon. I will come back to that later on. This video is quite short. It's 1 minute and 37 seconds, so I will show the complete video, so I can't be accused of cherry picking. Let's start this dumpster fire.
Hello everyone. Today I have more excellent evidence of our flat earth. A big thanks to Dino from the channel Canal 104 Plus for sharing it. This flat earth proof comes from this Italian article that has been translated to English. I'll have a link in the description. The photo, which has now gone viral, was taken just 10 days ago on April 30th, 2025. It's an awesome photograph of the sun setting directly behind the mountain Monviso, which is near the border of France. According to the article, the photo was taken from Pisa in Italy at an elevation of 400 meters or 1,312 feet. The distance between the photographer and Monviso was a distance of 296 kilometers or 184 miles. With an observation height of 1,312 feet and a distance of 184 miles, if we lived on a globe, the curvature of the Earth would block 12,987 feet or 3,958 meters. However, Monviso has an elevation of 12,602 feet, or 3,841 meters. That means the very top of Monviso should have been 385 feet below the curvature of the Earth. Look at this photo here. None of that mountain should have been visible if we lived on a globe. Flat Earth wins again.
So, Taboo conspiracy runs victory laps in his cave. Let's destroy his joy. Let's start with looking on Mount Viso. It's 3,841 meter high, and then we will look at his calculations. So with his calculation 117 meters is missing. But as we all know, Taboo conspiracy is a flat earther, so he haven't calculated with refraction. So let's do that. So here the same numbers, but with standard refraction, and 732 meters would be visible. Once again, Taboo managed to show an image that corresponds well with the globe we live on. Taboo chooses not to use atmospheric refraction. Perhaps he lives on the moon, or perhaps he wants to fool his followers. That was all I had for you today. It was a shorter video. Hope you liked it. We'll be back soon. See you. Bye.